views guys, oh, dito sa Carmen. Misamis Oriental. Tama eh. Misamis Oriental may part. What's that? Mali din guys. Ang Rusa del Norte. What? Diba klaro nga. Kuan. Here we go guys. Papasok na kami ng Sunrise Beach Resort dito sa Kahayagan. Cars. Okay. So from Butuan to Carmen, it takes 1 hour na lang.
1 hour na lang.
Papuntang Kahayagan Beach Resort.
Kahayagan gede kay hayag mo kayo.
Guys, Kahayagan.
Nayo.
Hello guys. So babalik kami sa aming daan kasi naglampas. Mali ang aming GPS.
Wala. Unahan ka pa dito.
Yeah. Mana dito so ulo dami sa Sunrise Beach Resort. Ikaw na. Yan. We are celebrating the Father's Day from Davao to Butuan and to Carmen, Agusan del Norte. So here we go. See you later guys. Hi guys. Katungkuan pa. There's the place. Here's the view guys. May doggy dito guys. So, hello doggy. Kain ka mamaya ha. Say Naya. Hi to my dog.
Later.
Hey, we're going home now. Tapos na ang aming beach party. Like and subscribe to the channel guys, and see you in my next video. Thank you, bye.